Nolita finally won in getting Solomze to sleep with her. She even gave it to him in Chuma's house on the recent episode of the show. And I'm really excited to see Chuma's reaction on this. So let us talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I don't know whether it's me or what, but I don't think the story of Nolita wanting to sleep with Solomze is helping the show in any way. Instead, I think people end up losing interest on the character as in Nolita character. So, viewers of Isita Enemy know what is happening on the show recently, but for those who don't know, I'll give you guys a brief background. So, Nolita saw Sia kissing Chuma. Then she concluded that Chuma and Sia by a Jola and that Chuma took Sia's virginity. Well, they tried explaining to her that nothing is going on, but Nolita, she refused to believe that. Instead, she came up with more evidence to support her speculations, which made it difficult for Chuma to convince her. Now, I don't know whether she's planning on getting her revenge or what, but she was busy with Solomze and she finally won on that because Solomze got weak and they did the thingy. And to show that Nolita is on a mission, she called Chuma while Solomze was on top of her, which I think got Chuma very angry, as you can see on the screen right now. Chuma is so mad and Nolita is so calm, which I don't understand. In fact, I hate it. I think it's time Mandla N put some respect on the character as Nolita character. I mean, the lady who plays Nolita there has proven that she's a good actress. I think it's time they give her a more dignified character. Look at Nandi. Ever since she came, she only slept with Solomze and Kaya. Her character is dignified and respectable. I think they need to do the same with Nolita as well. But then, I could be wrong. Maybe you guys are enjoying the storyline. I might be getting this whole thing wrong. So, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you're new to TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.